And here it is, everybody, the project file you've hopefully all been waiting for. It is our second bass house, start to finish. Download links to the project file will be in the description. It'll work with Ableton Suite 10 and 11. I think. So I've either frozen or got rid of a bunch of channels that had a bunch of third-party effects on them. As I say at the end of all of these project file downloads, you can chop, rearrange, bootleg, remix, carve out different sections, take different elements, use the samples, use the presets, etc, and do that sort of stuff for your own tune. But please do not take the tune as a whole and upload it and say it's your own. Or even like 2/3 of the track and literally change like a couple things around, upload it and claim it as yours, because don't do that. It's just not good. Otherwise, if you're not planning on doing that, have so much fun with it. I had a blast making this series. Hopefully you had a blast watching the series as well. I've also chucked the full track up on streaming and downloading sites, so if you want to listen to that. So yeah, download links to the full project file in the description, streaming links in the description, packs I used while creating the track that I've made also in the description. And with that being said, here is the final version of the track. Hopefully you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next tutorial or whatever I'm doing on this channel. Have a great day. Peace!